In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your dashboard in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Customizing your dashboard helps you prioritize the most important financial information like net worth, budget, or cash flow, all in one place. To do this on desktop, go to your dashboard and click the Customize button or the four squares icon in the top right. From here, you can turn widgets on or off depending on what you want to see. You can also drag and rearrange widgets to change their position or resize them to highlight the most important ones. Once you're done, click Save, and your layout will stay the same every time you log in. There are different widgets you could choose from, like net worth, budget, cash flow, goals, and transactions to review. You can also add new ones using the plus option. For a cleaner setup, it's best to focus on a few key widgets so your dashboard stays simple and easy to read. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.